So now this is much more likely to be what we're looking at in terms of a multiple choice question. It's gonna have four options, but it's hard to look at this and tell which is right and which is wrong from just looking at it. All right. So what I want to do is I want to actually write this down and do it. So with the squared, that means it's times itself. And it doesn't matter what two you multiply, but you can only do two at once. So I'm just going to do the first two. So I'm going to get x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. That's going to give me x squared minus 4x plus 4 for just the first two, and I still have this 2x plus 6 to deal with. All right, so now I need to distribute that. I'm going to flip them around, all right, because if you've watched some videos where this happened, it's easier for the way that I do it, all right, for the way that I do it to have less lines crossing each other. It's not less lines. I'm still going to have 6 distributions no matter what. There's less things crossing each other. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the third. 2x times negative 4x is negative 8x squared. 2x times 4 is plus 8x. 6 times x squared is plus 6x squared. 6 times negative 4x is negative 24x. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Whoops, I knew that was going to happen. Plus 24. Okay, so let's combine some like terms. I've got a couple of x squareds. I've got a couple of x's. Let's hope I did all that right. Looks like it. Let's see what it comes out to be. 2x to the third minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 24. Let's see if that's one of the answers. Hopefully it is. 2x to the third minus 2x squared. So it's B. All right. I don't know if I would have guessed that right if I had to just kind of guess at which one it was, but it's B. Those are no different than the ones in 3.1, which is why I only had 4 of them, because if you can distribute the stuff, you can get it right. But please don't just pick one. All right. Don't just look at it and be like, yeah, that one looks good, because that's going to end up getting you into a spot that